Hi, it's Julie with Mind Body Lab. I want to show you today a real quick overview about tapping. Tapping is kind of the basic name of what it's called now. It used to be called emotional freedom technique, and prior to that it was called thought field therapy. And I've been trained and certified in all versions of it. Thought field therapy was the originator of it through Dr. Roger Callahan, and then emotional freedom technique by Gary Craig, and then now tapping is just what it's known as, because that's basically what you're doing, is tapping on acupressure points. So this is what it looks like. Tapping on top of the head. Good to tune into something that you're currently upset about, you're struggling with, and while you're tapping, you're thinking of that situation. So this is not a distraction. I want you thinking about the upset. Tapping on top of the head. Beginning of the eyebrow. Tap right there. Beginning of the eyebrow. Outer edge of the eye, that bony ridge, outer edge of the eye. You can use one finger, two fingers. I tend to use the middle finger because it has the most electromagnetic force to it, the field itself. And then tap under the eyes. This one's good for anxiety. This one, by the way, is good for anger, if you're angry at others. Under the eyes, for anxiety. Under the nose, shame. Under the bottom lip, embarrassment. Under the collarbone, fear. That's under the collarbone above the first rib. Center of the chest, your thymus gland, get that immune system going. Under the arms for spleen, both sides. Under the chest, right at the bra line. That one's good for liver, if you're feeling angry and frustrated with yourself. You can also do the sides of the thumb, sides of the fingers, sides of the thumb is for lung, any kind of grief would be good to tap there. This one, side of the index finger, is a large intestine point. This is good for if you're having guilt or difficulty letting go. Middle finger, that's another stress point. Skip the fourth finger, go to the baby finger. And these are all on the medial or inside part of the hand. So the part closest to your body. So do the other side, right by that nail bed. So you do all those while thinking of the upset. Side of the hand, this is the small intestine point, which is good if you're feeling some indecision, can't decide on something. And then there's this motion that takes place where you go and you hold this gamut point, which is between the fourth and the fifth bone. You hold this point, place that in your lap, and then you're gonna do some eye rolling, humming, and counting, which you close your eyes, open them, look down one direction, look down the other direction, roll your eyes in a big circle all the way around in one direction. Notice if there's any places where you find that your eyes dart, and then you go back the other way, big circles, all the while tuning into this upset. And then you can do some humming, make it up. Count to 5 out loud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then hum again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and count. So you're doing a humming, counting, humming. Humming, count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hum again. So that is the basic sequence of what you do. We call it the sandwich, in that you tap again after you've done that 9 gamut. So you tap, you do the 9 gamut with the eye rolling, humming, counting, chest, and then you do another round of tapping. So that's tapping in a nutshell. Great to do anytime, anywhere. I know it looks strange. You could take a break, go into the bathroom, go anywhere. Great to calm yourself, and really helps every one of those acupuncture meridians, because they're one continuous flow, and it helps to calm you. Tune into whatever it is that's upsetting in your life. Try to be focused on that one thing until you bring that distress down. Your mind may jump to another item. If that other item is more upsetting, you can go work on that. But then you're starting to work down these different things, these different areas of your life that may be frustrating for you. And doing it by tapping is such an amazing healing thing you can do for yourself. All right, signing off. Julie with Mind Body Lab. Till next time.